Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you were here for the last video, the last install we did was on my 2011 Toyota Tacoma, and it was the AC control knobs. When you get to the end of this video, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. The install we're doing right now on my 2011 Tacoma TRD Sport is a kit that you use to put in for your it's like your center console cup inserts. It's a whole pack. It should cover all the little cubbies that I have and cup holders in the Tacoma. So I'm going to open up the package and then just go through each one and just put them in place. It's not really an installation, but just to show you what it looks like before and after. So I'm going to switch the camera around. We'll take a look and see what this looks like. So this is what the inside of the inserts looks like currently. So there's nothing that's in here. There's also an insert for this area here. As you can see, there's just plastic, there's nothing in there. And then there's also this little spot right here. Now the whole thing is just black plastic. The bottom does not have anything rubber in there, so I'm going to put one in there. And then the back part right here also has a spot to get right there. So there's a dual cup holder in the back, and that's just plastic. There's nothing in the bottom of that. So this is the kit. It comes with all the pieces. So I'm just gonna open this up and take all the pieces out, and then we'll just install them one by one. All right, so I have the parts out now. So let's just take a look and see what we've got. So we've got there's our little, it's got this little kind of finger grab tab on there. So if you want to take them out, you can, but there's the little rubber insert for this location. So there it is in the bottom now. Fits perfect. Like I said, it's got a little finger grab on there in case you need it. Same with the double cup holder insert that goes here. So I'm going to drop this down in. Same as before. Nice fit there. There's the fit on that one. There's the fit on the bottom of that one. And then we've got the one that goes here. So a little before and after. A piece of dust in there. So there's that one. Fits nice and snug. And here's one for the little front section right there. So that's covered all in the back now. Little grip pad all the way back across the back now. Hey, you learn as you go sometimes. That wasn't part of the plan. I'm gonna put some velcro, double-sided velcro on the bottom of these rubber cup holders. And I'll use that to keep these down, but I don't keep this open like this just because that's not going to keep my drink secure. I don't want this falling over while I'm driving. So the rest of the kit worked perfectly fine. As cheap as it is, I think it was like 10 bucks. As cheap as it is, there's not really any reason not to get it. And we'll just keep those inserts in for the cup holders. For the price and the fact that I do have the inserts everywhere now, I think it's worth it. So I'm going to wrap this up and get on to the next installation. So we've wrapped up AC control knobs, we've wrapped up the inserts for the center console, and I'm about to set up to do the center console tray organizer. So stick around. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.